Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by identifying sodium's atomic number, 11, so you must place 11 electrons. Know the off-bow order, 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s because electrons occupy lowest energy first. Use Pauli exclusion to allow only 2 opposite spin electrons per orbital, and remember Hund's rule for degenerate orbitals. Once you know these rules, start filling. 1s first, then 2s. Make sure to count electrons. As you go, having started, place 2 electrons into 1s to get 1s 2, then put 2 into 2s for 2s 2. Next, fill 2p with 6 electrons to become 2p6 because that subshell holds up to 6. You should now have 10 electrons placed. Once done, count to confirm. Make sure to follow energy order. Do not jump to 3s before finishing 2p. This leaves 1 remaining electron. Keep that in mind as you proceed to the final subshell. Now place the final 11th electron into 3s, resulting in 3s 1. Together the full configuration is 1s 2 2s 2 2p6 3s 1. For brevity, you can write the condensed form as Ni 3s 1 because neon represents the filled first 2 shells. If something seems off, recount electron totals and recheck the filling order. Mistakes usually come from skipping 2p or miscounting totals. Finally, remember that exceptions happen for heavier elements, but sodium follows the standard pattern.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.